Here we are looking at a fairly typical wiper blade. If you're wondering how to get the old ones off to put the new ones on, there's a spring inside that kind of makes it a friction fit. What you do is grab a screwdriver, put it in the center there, just wedge it in there, and if you give the screwdriver a twist, it should pop it off fairly quickly, fairly easily. Just like that. Again, just putting the screwdriver in there, giving it a little rocket back and forth, and compress that spring. Should come right off, and you're going to snap the new one back on. I'm just putting this back on. Just an example. There you go.